ton. Hope you're doing very well. Let me know if you need any help at all with any of the problems that you're getting or any of the work that you're getting from any of your classes. So to start today's video, I have a joke. Why does Snoop Dogg need an umbrella? Bo Drizzle! Alright, so for today's lesson, and actually for this week, we are diving into Unit 3. Today we're going to be working with unit rates and percentages. So what you're going to need to do is you're actually going to need to find two different types of sales. So I actually have all of these mail ads that you get probably once a week. And they're very common. If you don't have them though, because I know that we normally just trash these as soon as we get them. So if you don't have them, you can actually find these online, so it's okay. So you're going to need to find two different types of sales or coupons. So one is going to be a ratio sale. And what I mean by that is, so here you can buy 2 bags of Lay's chips, 2 for $5. So 2 bags of chips for $5. That is a ratio. There is, so Hy-Vee hot deals. You can actually Google that and it has a website for it. These have a lot. So if I just open it up, I see I could get cereal, 4 for $5. I could get 3 packs of soda, 12 packs of soda for $12. I could get 3 pizzas for $10. So there's a ton, you just have to find them. And then the last type of sale or coupon you're going to need to find is a percentage coupon or a sale. So this is 15% off this giant animal outside cage. There's this one that's 10% off any appliance that is $400 or more. And then even immediately under that, save 30% on Christmas items. So you can find a bunch. The issue with the percent off coupons is normally they don't give you a price for what you're getting this amount off for, except for like the Lowe's one did. So like 10% off $400 or more. So if you don't have like an end price, so if it's like 30% off your entire purchase, then just do like $75, okay? And I think that even specifies that on the Google form. So actually the coupons that I found, so I found a 3-pack of soda for $5. And then David went online last night and he actually found some pre-used Rolex watches and they were on sale for like 5% off. And so he found one that was $7,500 and 5% off of that. So I was actually really curious to see, okay, well, what even is 5% of $7,500? Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I have my 2 coupons and then I have 2 tables set up. So we're going to start with coupon 1. So I'm going to start by labeling my table. So I'm going to have the amount I'm getting. So the quantity, so I'm getting 3. And then I'm going to have price on the other side. And that's in money. And that's 5. So I want to know the unit price. And actually, there's one way, but I want to hit the other type of unit rate. So we specifically want unit price, but there's another unit rate that I want to talk about that you guys may accidentally get. So first, we're going to talk about how do you get unit price. Well, the unit price is how much I'm paying if I would get 1 package. And this is just a ratio table, so I need to figure out how do I go from 3 down to 1 using either multiplication or division. And I know, well, 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. Since this is a ratio table, whatever I do to one side of my table, I have to do to the other. So I'm actually going to divide 5 by 3. And when I divide 5 by 3, I get 1.6, and it actually is 1.6 repeating. So I'm just going to put 1.67. So if I buy 1 case of soda, it should be about $1.67. So that is my unit price. There's another unit rate though, and it's actually, well, what if I only have $1? How many sodas can I get? So to go from 5 down to 1, I need to divide by 5, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that means I need to come over to the 3 and also divide by 5. So 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So what this unit rate says is that for $1, I can get 0.6 of a case of soda. Okay, so it's not actually a full case of soda. We're only getting part of it, a case of soda. But I just wanted to touch on that unit rate. So you need to watch which number you are bringing down to 0. You want to make sure you're bringing your amount down to 0 for the unit price. Okay, so for our percentage coupon, there's going to be a little bit more work. So we're still going to start by setting up our table. So this is actually going to be the price. And then the other side is going to be percent. Okay. So we are given a percent and we're given a number. So we're going to start with $7,500 for the price. That is the total price of that watch. That is 100% of that watch's value. I'm not going to pay more than $7,500 because it's not worth more than $7,500. That is its 100% worth. Okay, but we want 5%. So I actually need to figure out how to go from 100 to 5. And that's why I actually left this row in between, because there's going to be a number that I need to go to, and then I can go back up to 5. So I don't know how to go from 100 to 5, but I do know I can go down to 1 and then back up to 5. The way I do that is, well, 100 divided by 100 gives me 1. So then I need to do the same exact thing to this side. 7,500 divided by 100 is actually just 75. And now, to go from 1 back up to 5, 1 times 5 will give me the correct number. So 75 times 5 will give me 5% of 7,500. So that's 375. Okay, so this means that 5% of 7,500 is 375. So the price that we would get off, $375. That's not the price we're going to pay. That would be a steal, by the way. So we need to know how much are we actually going to pay. So if that's the amount that we would get off, we're just going to subtract these two numbers. So I cannot take 5 away from nothing, so I need to borrow. I'm going to come all the way over to the 5 to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus nothing is 7. Whew. So we would still be paying $7,125 for that Rolex watch, that pre-used Rolex watch. All right, guys, I hope you find some awesome coupons out there. Try and find coupons for stuff that you really want, because I want to see what you guys would like to have in your life. So try and find something that you would really want.
If not, you can use some of the coupons that you saw me show you today. So there was that 10% off for 100. There was also the 30% off your entire order. So you could use $75 for that order amount. I saw ones 2 for $5. I saw ones 3 for $10. So go ahead. If you need help finding coupons, you can go ahead and email me and I can give you some. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Miss you. Bye.